Hi friends, here is a nice problem. We have a series sum. This sum involves cubes, squares, as well as first odd numbers, right, starting with 3. So if you can see 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Whereas n cube, 1 cube plus 2 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Similarly, 1 square plus 2 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, etc. We have to do the sum. Right. Let us try to break this. Right. Let us try to find out what is the t nth term. T nth term will be 3, 5, 7, whatever. So the odd numbers. So this is an arithmetic progression, right? Starting with 3. 3, then 5, then 7, whatever. Nth term likewise. Right. So then it becomes 3, starting with 3. This is an arithmetic progression. So first number is 3. 3 plus n minus 1 into d. This becomes the nth term, right? 3 is the first term. 3 plus, if it is the first, 1 minus 1 in 0 into 2, that is 3. If it is second term, 3 plus 2. Third term is 3 plus 2 times 2, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 6, like this. Right. Nth term is 3 plus n minus 1 into d. Here d is 2. So we'll be multiplying with 3 plus n minus 1 into d, and here it is playing till n cube, right? Nth term is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube. And similarly in denominator it will be up to n square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to n square. This is the t nth term. Let us simplify this. 3 plus 2n minus 2, that becomes 2n plus 1, right? That is 2n plus 1 into what is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube? First cube, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. This is, we already know it is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, right? Similarly, sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That we also know. Right, we are just talking about t nth term, not the overall sum. We are talking about t nth term in terms of n. What exactly is this? Now, if you see, right, there is n into n plus 1 whole square, and there is this 2n plus 1. This 2n plus 1 and this 2n plus 1 will cancel. At the same time, there is 1 n into n plus 1 here. Here it is n into n plus 1 whole square. So, one time it will get cancelled and we'll be left with 1 n into n plus 1, and this 6 will go to the top. Right, here we have 2 square, that means 4. Here we have 6. Right, 6 by 4 becomes 3 by 2. Right, so we have 3 by 2 into n plus 1 by 2. What does that mean? This is equal to 3 by 2 into n square plus n. Right, so basically our t nth term has become 3 by 2 into n square plus n. What is the sum? Our sum is actually this sum, this tn, from 1 to 10, because the question is about first 10 terms. The sum of first 10 terms is sum of this one, n square, 3 by 2 n square plus 1 from 1 to 10, right? 3 by 2 into 1 to 10 n square plus 1 to 10 n, right guys? So what is sum of squares of first n natural numbers? It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We already know this. Here it is n is 10. So 10 into 11 into 2n plus 1, 20 plus 1 by 6 plus first sum of first n natural numbers. This is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 10 into 11 by 2, 3 by 2 of that. Right. Now what exactly is this? 3 by 2 of that is, if you see, then we can simplify this further. Right. 6, 3 will go 7 times here and 2 will go 5 times here. 5 into 11 into 7 plus 5 into 11. This becomes 3 by 2 into 5 into 11 into 7 plus 5 into 11. So this becomes 5 into 11 into 8. Right guys? Then this becomes, this 2 also will go 4 times. Right. So then total is 220 into 3. Right. That becomes 660. Right. 5 into 11 is 55. 55 into 4 is 220, and 3 times 220 is 660. So this is 660. Please ignore the type. It is not 600. It is actually 660. 220 into 3. Right guys? So the answer is 660. We just need to do very simple things here. find out what is the t-nth term and simplify that and do the plain summation. This just simplifies to summation of n square and n or summation of n cube. Very simple, yes. Hope you like this. Thank you.